Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. On today's episode, I bring you a FabFitFun Summer 2021. I just have it down here. Ugh. And if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. So yeah, I came, there's always a box within a box. So let's go ahead and slice and dice her. And let's get started on this box. So let me know in the comment section, do you get this box? Have you been liking the box, or did you cancel it? Because, you know, it's not all that what it's cracked up to be right now. My address is here. I'm trying to hide my address. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. Let's see if I don't take off my eyeball. Okay. So let's see. Should have did all this before I started this video. But of course, it would not be what it is. I have my window open, you guys, and the breeze feels so wonderful right now. And I don't know, it just feels good to have the window open. My husband's probably gonna kill me because we have the air on. That's fine. I don't think you can see my address there. So there we go. You get this big old box. It's gonna be all scandaloso when it gets here, so that your husband thinks like, what the hell are you buying? Or your wife, or your significant other, or whoever. I did get a couple add-ons, so we'll do that last. Let me get that out. Okay. Oh, jeez. It's heavy. Let me see. Is that it? Yes, that's it. Okay. Let's push this off to the side. Now we can do the thumbnail. So FabFitFun Summer of 2021. So let's go ahead and get started. I know my lighting is terrible, but we'll get it together. We'll get it together. I have like hair tickling my face and I can't really scratch it. It's really getting to me. But anyways, FabFitFun Summer of 2021. These boxes have been really shitty. I'll be perfectly honest. I know people get these as PR, whatever the hell they get them at, but they really suck. They've been really bad lately, and it's just getting on my last nerve. I spent all this money on this a year, and they kind of suck. Oh, so the first thing I'm pulling out are these cute little stickers. Cute. And we have the booklet that, you know, it always comes with a booklet. And then I have a coupon code for some money off. So I might just randomly pick someone who wants a FabFitFun box and give them this code. And here's a fall teaser. I don't know, they've been really freaking shitty. I can't stand them. But anyways, all members get to pick from customizations. Oh, they finally did it better. So before I have always had to like go, what do I get? So all members get to pick from customizations 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you got to choose from that. And then annual members get to customize their entire box. So then there's some more items we get to pick as well. Finally you listened. Man, you finally just listened. Good. So now I don't have to sit here and play with things. Okay. I thought I got add-ons. Why am I always confused when I open up these boxes? Oh, so the paper inside had cute little polka dotties on them. And I can't stand this unless I'm packing something for Macari or eBay or something. So let's, oh my god, look at this. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. And then at the end, I will list the total amount that my box is worth, because it doesn't say. And if it does, I don't know. What's in the box? This season we introduced our most flexible membership ever. plus a new way to learn about your summer box products. Scan the QR code on the bottom right hand page for more details. Did we learn how to become? I think they were giving all kinds of stuff to people if they like subscribed or did something, or I don't know. Which was like, I'm kind of mad because my stuff renews in the fall, so I don't get anything extra. Oh, you guys, this breeze. So let's go ahead and get started. So customization 1 was this group here. Now I gotta remember what I picked. I don't remember. You know what? We're just gonna take stuff out. We're just gonna take stuff out. No, I don't even know where to begin, you guys. I'll be perfectly honest, I don't know. I'm gonna begin by taking all this crap out. Cause I really don't know where to go. I don't know where to start. Cause I don't even remember what I picked in this first section. I don't know. What is this? Did I pick? I didn't pick this. There is no way I picked this shit. Yes, I did. I take that back. Sorry, FabFitFun. I did. It's the multi-wear wrap. It's a wrap. And I don't want to open it and show. Maybe I'll do like a test on this. But it's this Virginia Wolf multi-wear wrap right here. I thought it was a scarf, so I was like, I know I didn't pick no scarf, but this is a wrap. I picked this so when I'm hanging out at the pool, I can wear it. Let's see. Since I am keeping this one, so there you go. See. Oh, I lied. See the wrap? You can wear it like a dress or as a skirt, a sarong, or bandeau dress, halter dress, or a scarf. I did pick this, so that's what I got. Virginia Wolf, the multi-wear wrap. Yes, I did. Okay. And then the next part, we got to customize these 3 things. This ruffle nighty look, not for me. I chose, and then this one here, I have to show. This is a duplicate because I got this in another box because it's hanging up over there. Whatever. Oh, my very first Ray Dunn. I don't see what the hype is for this Ray Dunn stuff. I really don't. It's just stuff with writing on it. So I got my very first Ray Dunn, and the only reason I got it is because nothing else was appealing. I didn't want a Bluetooth speaker. I didn't want moisturizer. That bag, I already have it. Or shampoo or jewelry case or resistant bands or none of that. So I got the Ray Dunn. Let's see. I'll show you what that looks like. It comes with these little spoons. They're wooden spoons. Yeah, these little wooden. You guys, seriously, these little wooden spoons. Oh, I'm a mess. And then I was gonna say, where's the other one? The one's inside the other one. Okay, so we got the salsa and the guac, which to me it's backwards. So anyways, this is the guac, and then this is the salsa. Salsa and guac. But I would have preferred this one to say guac and this one to say salsa, because you know, you can never have too much guac. And that's Ray Dunn, which again, I don't see the big deal. She does have some cute stuff though, she does, but I don't see the hype in like trying to run to the store for this shit. I don't know, but that's just me. I guess we all have our to each of us, we have our own little things we collect. I collect makeup. People collect Ray Dunn. So we got that. You guys, oh my god. And the next item, customization 3, was these items here. And I did pick the Corksicle wine tumbler. I did have a Corksicle container. You can put an entire bottle of wine in there. So, and it does keep your items nice and cold. So, let's see. see. So I do like this brand. It is really, oh, and I like it. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. I like the color. I like everything about it. But I highly recommend this brand. It does keep your items cold. Check out that. Because the other stuff I wasn't into. Build your own bracelet kit, like seriously. So customization for brain teasers, gold oil, watermelon burst setting spray, and vitamin C serum. So what the hell did I get? Oh, I got the serum. African Botanics. No, I got the shimmering gold oil. I'm like, fuck it. Summer's coming. You know, I can use this. I'll put it all over my body and be outside. Or whatever. I figured it'll help like with the shoulders when I'm wearing certain blouses. So I got that. I don't know they don't have prices on here for all of it, so I will have to list what the box is worth at the end. Customization 5. So I didn't get that. That's actually something did I pick? What is this? Oh, here's the straw, corksicle straw that goes with my wine glass. What's this? Oh, you guys, okay, so such a jerk. I picked 2 things from this section. One came with the box, and the other one was like $10 more. So I got and I'm such a dork. I got the Soar clip-on selfie ring light. Come on, I've been trying to get one of these, and I was like, nah. So I finally got that. I don't know if I already used it or not. And I also got this. I'm into the lemon things right now, so I got this tray to put in my kitchen, because for some reason I decided to buy all these fake lemons and then fill up this bowl and put it in my kitchen. So that'll go with that. Out of all of these items, that to me was like cold. I should have got the Dr. Brandt Purifying Cleanser, but I got 2 things that I don't know I can use. And then the next section was kind of hard for me to decide, and I'll show it to you. So 6 is down here. It's just these whole set. I wouldn't have picked any of those, because I don't know, if you're Mexican, you just have one of these in your house. At least all the Mexicans I knew, we just have a lime squeezer or a lemon squeezer. Mine is actually yellow for lemons. So I got this. I got the pineapple shaped ice molds, but I'll probably use them for chocolate. And what else did I get? And the lip butter. That's the section I got. So what is it saying? I'll have to look. But anyways, these 3 items came together as a bundle, which was kind of stupid to me, but whatever. So, and then the one I have is metal. Okay, this is plastic. But mine is metal, so it'll never break. Hopefully this one won't break. Maybe it's made juices lemons, but anyways. And half the time you put one in here and you go like this, it doesn't really juice the entire lemon. I still have to take it out and squeeze it some more with like a fork or a knife or something. But anyways, so we got that, the lime squeezer, lemon squeezer, citrus squeezer, whatever you want to squeeze. And then the fruit butter lip mask. That was another one. And then this pineapple. I could have sworn I got one of these already. A yellow one in my last FabFitFun box as an add-on. And now I got more. I don't know. But I didn't like any of them. And that's everything I got. And then I bought this as an add-on, which I thought was really cute. This is so me. I collect pens and pencils and freaking office supplies. I got a shit ton of office supplies. I got this little set here. So I want to open it because I don't want the thing to fall out. But that. Isn't that cute? It's like flamingos and pink. And a little message pad. And I'll probably never use this. I'll never use it. But I think, why do I feel like Lily Pulitzer's in Target? Maybe. I gotta take it out of the bag. But that's what that looks like. It's a tray with the little accessories, but I love office supply stuff. So we got that, and that's it, you guys. It's everything I got in this box. I probably confused a few of you. Now I regret it. So I should have got this wine chiller, but I know I won't use it. I probably won't even use that other thing. But anyways, well, that's everything I got in my box. To me, this is a dud now. FabFitFun needs to either up their game or something, but I mean, I can't complain too much. I did like some of the stuff, but I'm definitely gonna try out this wrap. Hopefully it fits me. But we got the wrap. We got the Corksicle wine glass with the straw. But I highly recommend this brand. Like I said, I have a Corksicle, the big one, like the tall one, and the whole entire bottle of wine goes in there. And how do I know this? Don't ask. But we got this. And everything's a theme, right? It's all green or yellow. So we got this pineapple ice mold, a lime squeezer, citrus squeezer, the lip mask, of this shimmering gold oil, which I plan to use on my white legs. This selfie stick for a phone, iPad, or whatever. I bought this extra. I got that. I think it was like $10 more. And then this Ray Dunn set, which I'll probably use. I mean, I'm Mexican, man. I'm gonna make guacamole. I make a thing bigger than this, full of guacamole. So that little, it's not really gonna hold much, but I bust out a big thing like double the size, and it's full of guac. I even make a salsa bigger than this, a whole canister of salsa. So I guess it's just for show for people to come over. Maybe I might give it away. And then we got this extra, and I got these last year. They gave these to the fire department, and we got a bunch of these. So this is a hydration multiplier, and it does hydrate you, it does keep you hydrated. So we got these as an extra gift. And then this was the last thing I got. I actually bought that as an add-on. And we got stickers. And that's it, you guys. So that's everything I got in my FabFitFun Summer. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Seriously, is this worth? How much do I pay for FabFitFun? $50? No. Shoot, what do I pay for a FabFitFun box? I pay almost $200 a year, and it's 4 boxes. So about $50, $60 it is. Shit, I can't remember, but I'll list it here what the quarterly amount is. But if you use the link down below, you save some money off your first box. I do have a $15 code. I'll randomly pick someone who wants the code. Just put your name down below, let me know, hey, I want the code, and I'll just pick somebody randomly and send you the code. And that's it, you guys. That is all she wrote. Oh, and they have a recipe. I'll leave the recipe here so you can screenshot that or do what you like with that. Like, who serves that much guac? Anyways, thank y'all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta later. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and until the next one, hasta later.